Wait, this is Felix from Stray Kids? His voice is so deep, it doesn't even sound real. Here's the ultimate compilation of Felix's most jaw-dropping voice moments.
Yo, there's something I want to show you. But first, you have to close your eyes. It's a surprise. Wait here. Now.
1, 2, 3, run along with the ghost, jumping between every verse, the multiverse, and ready for our universe. They drop and spit you out, statue of live body count. Oh, 第三个字破头是手 ，Yeah， 比你希望的 hit 能是走。I give back the light, it gave me what I please you, yes no. Boom, vamos to know that you want it. Boom, Lobos we cannot stop hunting. Boom, ratatata, I'ma make it. Boom, boom, boom.